Hey everyone, this is Wayne Wallace, and I'm going to do a little video tutorial on a product called Lead Pages. It's a pretty cool little product. One of my members over at Wealthy Affiliate was asking me about it because he noticed that I used it. So let me kind of show you what it does first, and then I'll get into the how to do it. So if you go to my website, waynewallace.com, it'll take you here. And this is basically just kind of a temporary page. It's my contact page, and you can email me or get my phone number and sign up for a lot of my different stuff here. Down below here, I have some affiliate links. There's one right here for lead pages. These are all the products that I use and I recommend. If I don't use it, I don't recommend it. So if you'd like to try out one of these products, come back and use one of my links, and that way I get a little credit for that. They are affiliate links. So right here, there's an image, and it's a clickable image. And if I click on that, it's going to take you over to mymarketinghotline.com, which is one of my websites. And this is a lead page. Okay, I've got it hooked up to my domain name so you wouldn't know kind of that it's from lead pages, but if you know lead pages, then you'd probably recognize this. And the really cool thing is this was already pre-designed. All I had to do was stick in the information that I wanted into the website. So for people that don't know how to code, it's a very easy solution to create pages like this and have them on your website pretty much instantly. So there's several things I like about this template that I chose. Over here, this is a template that's designed for webinars, and here I can choose to let people watch a replay of last week's webinar. And then down here, I can allow them to register for next week's webinar. And then here, of course, I have a video introduction. There's a little tweet link up here so people can tweet this out. Down here, there's a thing called chat roll, and this is basically a little instant messaging type script that is embedded into the page. So it's a free application, chat roll, and it's pretty handy. And then down below here, there's another section where people can click, and this one basically just subscribes them to the online marketing success course. And then down here I have my Google Plus page showing that I'm an author, and I have my Google authorship hooked up to this page. So it's pretty simple. You can't get to anything else on mymarketinghotline.com. You basically have to use this page. And basically what this is called is a squeeze page or a landing page. Basically, I'm making you do something on this page before you get any other information about my marketing hotline. And when you sign up for the webinar, of course, you get the webinar. So that's what Lead Pages is used for. That's one use of it. Let me go back. And then here's the other nice thing is when you try and exit this page, you can optionally pop up this dialog box that says, hey, wait a minute, before you go, are you sure you don't want to sign up? You can say whatever you want in here. So I can either say stay on this page and then do something, or I can just choose to leave the page, and it lets me leave the page. So let's go back to my main website. And then this clickable image link here is a training course that I've developed for WordPress. And if you click on this, it'll bring you to another landing page. Now this one here is not associated with a domain name. So you can see it says my.leadpages.net, yada, yada, yada. And there's no real website behind it. It's really just a sign up box. So the nice thing about this is that I can shorten this link and I can drop it anywhere. I can drop it in an email, I can put it on a website, I can be in some kind of forum and say, hey, if you'd like to learn WordPress, come check out my course. And it's pretty handy. So that's a nice feature of lead pages as well. So let's go back to my main website. And let's see, where else do I use lead pages? I just started using it, so those are the two of the main pages that I have set up so far, but I'm going to be using it in a lot of places. So let's just jump into lead pages and let me show you around on the inside. So I'm going to log in, and if you want to go to lead pages, it's leadpages.net. If you go to .com, it's going to take you somewhere else. Let me show you. Okay, this is a trick. So don't go to leadpages.com. This is a trick website. Okay. Um, I guess lead pages didn't buy up the .com, and now they're probably sorry about that. So don't use that one. So here's leadpages.net, and at the top you have various options. You have the templates page, you have lead pages, and you have lead boxes, and you have lead links. Lead links is a new thing they just came out with. I haven't used those yet, but apparently you can put just a link in, and I'm not really sure exactly what the benefit of lead links is, but one day I'll get in there and check it out. Um, so lead pages, this is one that I've used. And if you go here to My Marketing Hotline and edit this one, you'll see, you'll also notice here there's some stats. So looks like 343 people have maybe either visited that page. I can go here to the analytics for that page and check it out. And let's just pick a date here. Let's say unique views. Okay, I guess that is unique views already. Let's go to views period. Okay, and let's go down to uniques and opt-ins. Okay, and conversion rate. Okay, and let's pick a date. Let's say this month. And let's look at views. There we go. Okay, so we can see that on January 31st, I had 57 views. I had a conversion rate of 6.25. Of course, it went down because I wasn't promoting it. And then up here was probably a day that I promoted it. I got 36 views. So you can see it's going to go up and down based on the promotions that you do. So here I got 40 views. Here I got 28. Here I got 29. Okay. So this kind of gives you an idea of, how your promotions are going and your conversions. I've not really paid attention to this. I just pay attention to the sign-ups I get, basically. So let's go back here. And this kind of gives me an overall graph, I guess, of 4% is my conversion rate. And then this one here is my 13 opt-ins. And this one here is my unique viewers. So this is just a quick snapshot of the analytics. Okay. So let's go in and edit this page. Now this is a pretty nice feature. Every week I have to change these links out to change out the webinar links for the next webinar and the previous webinar. So here I can just click on this. I can come over here and click on edit link and insert link, and I can change out this link. Okay, and then I can hit save or insert in this case. And it's that easy to change out stuff. So it's kind of like WordPress. If you don't know how to code, then this is really easy to use. If I don't want that to be visible, then I can hide it. Okay, let's make it visible. And it's really kind of like plug and play, click and see what happens. You can't really customize this outside of what they've already got, which may seem restrictive, but if you're not a coder and you just want to type in a box and hit submit, then this is a perfect tool for you. Okay, so here I can click on this and paste in my YouTube embed code. And then down here, here's my join now. And this one's hooked up to this link right here. I can choose to open this in a new window if I want, do a follow or no follow. Okay. And then down here is that chat box. You can't see it in this view, but that's the chat box. And then down here is the text. If I want to change that text, I can change it. Here's the button, and this is the box that it brings up. And then I can change the words on here if I want. So everything's customizable, but it's already pre-designed. Okay. And then if I want to turn on various things, like there's things right here that I don't have turned on. So here's a Facebook share. Okay. I can make that visible or hidden. Okay. Here's a Twitter share. It looks like I already have those on. Let's go down here to privacy text. So here's a pop-up for privacy text. If I make this visible, it looks like I already have it visible. I don't know which one of these I don't. So it looks like I have most of them already in there. Let's see if there's any other ones here. Footer, opt-in. Yeah, it looks like I have most of the stuff available on here. Okay, the other thing that you can do is you can tie this in with your email marketing system. So here's the opt-in form. So here you can tie this in with your Aweber form. So this is a form I went into Aweber and created, and then I just tell it it's an Aweber form, and there's the code for it. So whenever anybody clicks on this, it's going to register them in my Aweber list. Okay. So that's basically how easy it is. When I'm all done making my changes, I can hit save. And now that form is live. It's hosted by them. I can download the HTML code if I like and put it on my website, but if you do it this way, then it's basically already there. So you don't have to worry about it. Just hit save and publish. And then when you hit publish, you can choose to publish it on WordPress with the plugin, or on Facebook, or on your own server, or on the lead pages. And lead pages uses the Amazon network, I believe. I read that somewhere. And so it's going to be fast, and you're not going to have any problems with it. So if I want to view this, I can hit view, and I can view and see what it looks like. Okay. And I can leave that page. So that's basically how easy it is to use. Let's go look at that other one that I created. I believe that one's a lead box. Let's go check that out. Yeah. Okay, so here it is. The WordPress website training course. Wow. I've had 1,300% conversion rate. I don't know how I did that. 13 opt-ins and 1 unique viewer. These stats are definitely wrong. That's kind of crazy. So a lot of people haven't really looked at this yet. So I've had 13 opt-ins with 1 unique viewer. I didn't sign up 13 times, I know that. I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. That's kind of crazy. So let's jump in here. And this is basically what it looks like. Okay. I can click on here and type in whatever information that I want to be in this box. Okay, let's get rid of that. And here I can change the button wording if I'd like. And I can change the size that easily. Okay, let's make it about that big. And there's the size, and the other one was letter spacing. Okay, so that's how easy it is to use. And then when I'm done, I just say OK, and then hit save, and it's good to go. I don't really even need to say publish it because I've already published it. But let's just go in here. Yeah, well maybe it's saying I need to save it, so let's save it. Oh, I've got an error here. See, it makes it pretty user friendly. I don't know where that error was. Opt-in form field. Object has no attribute source. Opt-in form field. Okay. So where's my opt-in form field? I don't know. I'm just gonna cancel out of this because it is working. Discard. Okay. Okay. So that's lead boxes. Okay. Lead links. Like I said, I haven't used that yet. Looks like Aweber is having some disruption of service here. There's a notice up here. So basically you would create a lead link by going here. You say what industry this is for, and then you'd go through the process. I'm not going to do that right now. Let's go over here and look at templates just so you can see what kind of templates they have. So this is one of the big features of lead pages is they have tons and tons of templates. So here is the section for sales pages. If you want to create a sales page, these are a bunch of templates that have been proven to work for sales pages. Okay, here's some opt-in pages. Okay, and all these are customizable pages. Okay, and here's webinar pages. So if you're going to put on webinars, this is a good page to go to. Thank you pages for your lists that you sign people up for. Upsell pages, launch pages, pre-cart pages, others, custom. So there's a ton of templates in here. I haven't even looked through all these, but you get the idea. So if you have any questions, let me know. I can try and answer them for you. And like I said, use the links in the description if you'd like to check it out. Thanks.